Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can fix the screen tearing or lag in Geometry Dash. So let's get started with the main setting of the Geometry Dash application. Basically just click on the gear icon at the bottom of your screen. This is going to be the main settings for Geometry Dash. In here click graphics and then make sure that you have selected the full screen option, borderless or full or fixed. Now, you can also disable this if you want to, but the main focus here is going to be the full screen option. Navigate through advanced option, turn off vertical sync and enable these three options right here. Inside, you then want to match your monitor's refresh rate. So if you don't know what your monitor's refresh rate is, you can navigate through your desktop right here. And then basically inside, right click on it, click on the display setting. Scroll all the way down and then click the advanced display. In here, you will be able to see the refresh rate that your monitor is set into. In my case, I have 165 Hz, so you can just apply that on here. Click on the apply button and then we should be good to go on our Geometry Dash game. The next thing that you want to do is to navigate through your Geometry Dash executable file. So if you're playing it on something like Steam, you can just navigate through Steam right here. Click library and then you want to look for your Geometry Dash application. Right click on it, click on manage, click the browse local files, and then you will be able to see your Geometry Dash. In my case, my Geometry Dash is not located right here, but simply inside the main folder, you can just right click on Geometry Dash. In here, click the show more option, click properties, compatibility, and you want to make sure to enable the disable full screen optimization. Now it's really necessary to get the last step right, which is to enable our full screen so the disable full screen optimization can take effect. Of course, you then want to click on the apply option, click on OK, and you should be good to go. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, the last option is to navigate through our NVIDIA control panel. Once again, inside the show more option, we have the NVIDIA control panel. And then from here, you want to click on the manage 3D setting. Click on program setting. And then you simply want to look for your Geometry Dash application. If you cannot see it on this page, we then have to add it onto the NVIDIA control setting itself. So just click on this plus icon. And then here's our Geometry Dash. Click add selected programs. And the thing that we have to enable is the low latency mode. You want to change this into ultra. And then once again, scroll down and same with the vertical sync. You want to turn this on. Click on the apply button. And from there, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.